Manufacturer recalls 1.5 million Ram pickup trucks over software issue. No crashes or injuries have been reported, according to Stellantis. Stellantis, an automotive manufacturer, is recalling around 1.5 million Ram pickup trucks due to a software issue that can disable a vehicle's electronic stability control, ESC. In a statement obtained by Reuters on Saturday, Stellantis explained that the affected pickup truck's anti-lock brake software may accidentally shut down the vehicle's ESC. ESC systems are designed to prevent cars from losing control by controlling the vehicle's throttles and brakes when skidding is detected. The recall impacts trucks from the 2019, 2021, 2022, 2023, and 2024 model years. Most of the vehicles are in North America. U.S. government regulations require ESC systems to work during all phases of driving, which prompted the recall. Stellantis clarified that the affected vehicle's brakes would still work if an issue were to arise with the software, and said that there have been no reported injuries or crashes related to the recall. Owners of affected Ram vehicles will be notified via mail starting on October 3, Stellantis said. The issue is fixable at Ram dealerships at no cost to owners. Ram pickup truck owners are advised to enter their vehicle identification numbers, VIN, on Ram's recall page to see if their vehicle has been affected. Fox News Digital reached out to Stellantis for comment. There is no additional information about the recall at this time.